Looking for a quick healthy meal under 600 calories, delicious noodles with spinach and eggs, packed with protein, vitamins. Welcome back to my kitchen, where healthy meets delicious. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are using 2 eggs, fresh tomatoes, onions and chili pepper, fresh spinach, and 1 Indomie super pack. First, I am sorting through the spinach and picking out the good leaves before giving it a proper wash. Before using the spinach, I like to wash it very well. This helps remove any dirt or sand that may be on the leaves. Fresh vegetables are healthy, but it's always important to clean them properly before cooking. So I'm gently washing the spinach with clean water and salt to make sure it's nice and fresh for our noodles. I'm chopping the spinach into smaller pieces so it can mix nicely with the noodles. The spinach is here to make this meal healthy so we can enjoy our noodles without feeling guilty. I don't know about you, do you feel guilty while eating noodles? Here, I'm chopping my fresh tomatoes, onion, and chili pepper. The tomatoes add color, the onions bring the aroma, and the chili pepper adds a little heat to our noodles. I parboil the noodles in excess water, then drain the water to remove some of the starch and reduce a few calories. I spray a little olive oil into the pot. Add my chopped vegetables and gently stir fry them on low heat. Cooking on low heat helps keep the vegetable fresh, colorful, and nutritious. After a few minutes, I pour in a little water. Add 1 tablespoon of Indomie seasoning powder. I then add the parboiled noodles and gently stir everything together until well combined. Finally, I add the chopped spinach, little amount of salt, drizzle of olive oil. Spinach is rich in vitamins, iron, and fiber, which makes the meal very nutritious. Look at how colorful and delicious this noodles with spinach looks. Finally, I add 2 boiled eggs on top, giving this meal an extra boost of protein and nutrition. And here is my healthy noodles with spinach and eggs, packed with protein, vitamins, and delicious flavor. If you enjoyed this healthy noodles recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.